So using this pointy end of my broken edge brush, I didn't want y'all to know it was broke, but we're just going to make sure the parting of the front is A1. Hi babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, what's good, what's poppin', what you doing sis? Let me know down below in the comments. Hi to all my new subscribers. Hi babes, hi beautiful faces, what's good? If you're not a babe already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell to be notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and comment down below what you guys want to see. I know I was missing for a while, but I'm back. Hopefully I needed a break, but I'm back, I'm back, and I'm back. Okay, I'm back and I'm better. So like this video. What are you waiting for? I'm giving the tea, okay? What you waiting for? I'm gonna try not to talk too long, so I'm gonna be telling you guys about my favorite soap and what I use to wash my hair today for this look. I was gonna insert the original clips. I probably still will show you a little bit of them, but my air conditioner was running and it was just annoying me, so I could not do that to you babes. But this is my favorite soap. It is the Dr.Bonner's Castile soap, and this is in lavender. Like, it is golden hour right now on the back of my house where my room is. So it's a purple bottle. Like, it looks like this. I'm sorry, I'm trying not to be, you know, in the light too much. So this is my brand new bottle, and it is full. I just opened it. I use it to wash my hair, so my hair looks really clean and I'm loving it. Really clean, okay? And I use it for everything. I use it to shave my underarms, my legs, everything. You know, it gets the body squeaky clean. I don't know how I was clean before. Like, I must have been a little dirty, because this soap right here makes you feel squeaky clean. Like, you feel like you can eat food off your body clean, okay? And it is good for a lot of things. You can wash dishes with it. I'm not saying I'm washing my dishes with it. I'm gonna stick to my Dawn washing detergent that I use in the kitchen, okay? And a little bleach, but this says you can wash dishes with it. You can shave, shampoo, shower, bathe, mop. It's the best soap for everything. This is their 18-in-1 Pimp in lavender, and I love it. I use it in the liquid form and in a bar. This is a container that I keep it in, and I use this one specifically for my face, so I also use it for my face. Yes, so you will see me cleaning my face with this later, so make sure you stay tuned for the entire video. But I do highly recommend these. I do have eczema prone skin, and I've had it for about 1.5 years now, and this soap has changed my life. It was recommended to me, and I went to Dr. Champion here in Memphis, Tennessee, and they let me know these type of soaps were very good, and lavender is just very healing and calming to the skin, so it's very good. And I take oatmeal baths and stuff like that. If you want to see, or you know, hear me talk more about eczema and what I do for my skin, let me know down below in the comments. But I've been battling with that, and this soap has really helped with that. It helps with my dark marks and acne. I also get acne on my chest, and it has also helped with that. I'm going to insert some clips and some pictures on the screen, so you guys will see how I'm doing now with it, and this soap is the reason why. So I just wanted to let you know that much, and we're going to get straight into the video so you can see this hair, okay? Because that's what you came here for. I'm just letting y'all know, like, this takes a lot of work. So I got my first part together, and I'm taking my Shea Miracle by African Pride, and this is a twist and lock smoothie. It's like a, I don't know, it's like a whitish tint. that was too much. So I'm gonna take about this much. Not really a lot. Nah, it's on my hand, you can't really see, but you want to make sure you're getting that product throughout your entire section of hair. So we're going to rake it through with a comb, brush, brush, brush. And then, why you grab my product? See, that's your problem. And then I'm going to take my Jamaican Mango and Lime Lock and Set Styling Lotion. Looks like this. And it's for roller sets, cramps, crinkles, curls, and body. Okay, period. Everything we want to get. Look at them curls though, okay? And it's like a liquidy substance, but it's still a lotion. And we're gonna put a little bit of that on there. Okay. So I probably am going to leave this clip in real time just so you guys know this is the process. You're just going to do a 2-strand twist, pretty easy, I know, and you're just going to do this for the entire head. And I am taking medium size sections, and I only make sure that my parting is crisp. I don't care if the sizes don't match. We're just going for medium, okay? That's the only thing we trying to get. And then we're gonna do this little twirly thing at the end and get the little coil at the end of the, you know. My rubber bands are too slippery. So my parts now are done, and I'm gonna twist them and I'll be right back. It's constipated or something. Yeah. Okay. So it was golden hour like a few minutes ago. So if the lighting looks a little different in the video, that is why. That's when the sun hits my window exactly on the back of the house, and you know, I get the best light, and that's why I said lighting is important. If you have not checked out my YouTube playlist, make sure you check it out. It's gonna have all my YouTube tips and tricks, and you know, how I started my YouTube channel basically, or how you should start yours, because you definitely should. I don't know what you're waiting for, but here is the finished look, and I am loving it. I do twist outs a lot. I think this is my favorite one. So now I'm just going to put it up, and we're going to get into the ending of this video. And I told you guys to stay tuned so you would see the end results and what else I had in store. So I'm gonna put my hair up and I'll be right back. So here's what you guys came here for. This is the face cleaning portion, and yes, y'all just wanted to know if I was going to use that last bit of soap, and I did. And I'm taking it on my spin brush and just, you know, going to get started, making sure my face is wet. And I'm going to take that bar soap. This is the exact same soap. It is the lavender one, and just a little goes a long way. I use just a little water and I created all these suds. I really love how this feels on my face, and I just go in and massage it in for about 5 to 10 seconds. And then I'm also going to grab my spin brush again and repeat the same process, just massaging it in with that spin brush, making sure that I'm getting rid of all the dirt and oils that my skin has built up over the day. And I do this process maybe 2 to 3 times out the week. I try not to do it every day because I do have combination skin, and I don't want to just strip my skin and, you know, make it really dry, because it does get dry. But then I'm going to just clean my spin brush and put that away, and then I'm going to take some hot water and just make sure that I get all the soap off of my face, and making sure that I'm getting it off my neck, you know, all that good stuff. And then I'm going to go in with cold water as well, and I'm gonna pat my face dry. Make sure that you're patting your face. Do not go in and scrub your face. You know, I might scrub my lips or some, you know, my nose, but pat dry. Thank you, babes, for tuning in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. This is the final look, you know, skin and hair. I hope you enjoyed the twist out portion. You know, I just hope you found it fun overall. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment down below what you want to see next, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. What are you waiting for, sis? Go ahead and smash it. I'll wait, okay? And I'll see you babes in the next video.